What is up, guys? My name is Bryan from OmniPrint, and welcome to our beginner guide for direct-to-film, where we'll be covering everything you need to know. In this video, we'll be going over the basics of DTF printing, including how it works, cold peel versus hot peel, temperatures when pressing, curing your DTF sheets, what DTF works best on, how many washes it can withstand, and how it feels. So let's dive right in. What is DTF? First things first, what is DTF printing? DTF stands for direct to film, and it's a printing process in which you print directly onto, like the name implies, a film. You then apply powder, cure the DTF print, press it onto the garment of your choice using heat and pressure. This printing method is a feature of our 330TX Plus, but it is streamlined in our Omni DTF. The FreeJet can print single sheets at a time, while the Omni DTF is a roll-to-roll printer that can print up to 100 meters continuously, which is the best when you have those high production jobs. DTF can also be used on a wide range of materials, including, but not limited to, cotton, polyester, nylon, leather, and 50-50 blends. Now let's talk about cold peel versus hot peel. Cold peel means that the transfer is peeled off the garment once it has cooled down.
Pressed, if you're in production, you would move it like this. You'd move the t-shirt, let it cool down for at least 30 seconds. This allows it to finish adhering. So if you're in the production run, you would essentially start stacking your blanks here, all your finished designs with the designs from DTF here. So we're gonna give it about 30 seconds to a minute.
While hot peel means that the transfer is peeled off immediately after being pressed onto the garment while it's still hot. The advantages of hot peel are that the peeling process is a lot faster, meaning your production time on large orders will be quicker and could potentially lower your labor costs. Cold peel is more beginner friendly and is a better option if you're shipping your transfers out to customers who might not know how to peel a transfer properly. The type of peel you use will also depend on the type of film and garment that you're printing on. Moving on to the process of DTF printing. It's pretty straightforward. You print your design onto the film using our Omni DTF, then apply the powder to the print. The film is then cured and is ready to be heat pressed to transfer the design onto the fabric. The Omni DTF has two print heads that print the color and white underbase back to back. After that happens, we have our powder shaker, which not only applies the powder to the print, but also shakes off any of the excess to make sure your print has the cleanest edges. Lastly, the print goes through our oven here to get a nice glaze on our cured print. The final print gets rolled up and is ready to either be cut and pressed or shipped to your customer. It's important to note that the melting process can produce vapors, so it's recommended to use a well-ventilated area or a specialized vapor extractor when working with DTF printing. Keep in mind when pressing and applying the transfer, you can press the print for a second time for just 5 seconds to get a better shirt feel. When it comes to how many washes and how it feels, DTF printing is very durable and can withstand multiple washes. Our testing reached 50 washes before seeing any noticeable fading. The feel of the transfer will depend on the amount of ink and the garment you're using. But in general, DTF prints have a soft, smooth texture. A little bit more noticeable than DTG, but not thick or chunky. A lot of people have described DTF as a thick and glossy print, but that's just not the case when it comes to our Omni DTF.
Oh wow, yeah, it actually feels like a nice screen print. Check out the detail in that. Feels like a nice screen print. It's cool. I'm telling you, we tried some other ones, and even after we repressed, it was crap.
Yeah, I gotta say, that is the best feeling DTF I've ever felt. A lot of the DTF stuff feels really plasticky. This feels really good.
Yeah, so this is the Gamut Plus inks that help with that. So the idea is to have a nice feel, you know.
Yeah, so yeah, he wasn't lying. This really is smooth. It really is soft. It looks great, it's vibrant. And I don't have any of those crazy like outline, the white powder that sits on the outline. So it's the truth. Grab my credit card. They look great. They look great, bro. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, you've done a good job for sure in finding whatever it is that works. Yeah, and so like it doesn't feel like it's papery at all. It's nice and soft. No, my hand's not burning on the hot platen. Here's that second one, right? So like I was saying, it really is nice and detailed, and the colors are vivid, you know, they're vibrant. So you guys win. OmniPrint gets my money, and they better get yours after this.
And that's it. That's our beginner's guide to DTF printing. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more DTF printing content. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.